In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, He is the Master of Death and also the Master of Life. Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you will be safe and sound. This is your own YouTube channel, DEATAILS teaching Narasif. It's a very favorite YouTube channel. I hope you will take some time to watch me videos because these videos are very important for you. You will get a lot of information about my channels, about English and other subjects. Also, work hard in life. Understand? If you want to be a officer in Pakistan, don't waste your time. Understand? You should pay your full attention on your studies. So today my topic is I shall tell you about the ranks of Pakistan Army. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe my all videos because these videos are very important for you. Thanks. There are ranks Pakistan Army. Ranks Pakistan Army. I want to tell you that there are three categories of the ranks of the Pakistan Army. Number one, non-commissioned officer. Non-commissioned officer. Number two, junior commissioned officer. Commissioned officer. Number three, commissioned officer. Commissioned officer. So I have explained you that there are three categories in Pakistan Army. Pakistan Army is called Armed Forces of Pakistan. So non-commissioned officer, junior commissioned officer, and commissioned officer. So non-commissioned officer is called. These are ranks. Number one, soldier. He will called Sipahi. Last night. After that, he will be a last night. After that, he will promoted night. After that, he will promoted Havaldar. It means that if you are a soldier in Pakistan Army, after promoted you will be last night there. After promoted you will be night there. After promoted you will be Havaldar there. So these ranks are called non-commissioned officer in Pakistan Army. So after that, there are junior commissioned officer Pakistan Army. Naib Subedar, Naib Subedar. After that, you will promoted Subedar. After that, you will promoted Subedar Major. Subedar Major. So I want to explain to you that these three ranks are called junior commissioned officer in Pakistan Army. Number one, Naib Subedar. After that, he will be a Subedar. After that, he will be a Subedar Major. So after that, there are a lot of ranks. Those are called commissioned officer. So I want to explain you about the ranks of the commissioned officer in Pakistan Army. Pakistan Army is called Armed Forces of Pakistan. Commissioned officer. The category of three is commissioned officer. Commissioned officer. Number one, second lieutenant. Number 2, lieutenant. Number 3, captain. Number 4, major. MAJOR, major. Number 5, lieutenant colonel. Number 6, colonel. Number 7, brigadier. Number 8, major general. Number 9, lieutenant general. Number 10, general. Number 11, chief of army staff. Chief of the army staff. And number 12, field marshal of Pakistan. Marshal of the army. So these ranks are called commissioned officer ranks. Number 1, second lieutenant. After that, you will promoted lieutenant. After that, you will promoted captain. After that, you will promoted major. After that, you will promoted lieutenant colonel in Pakistan Army. After that, you will promoted full colonel. After that, you will promoted brigadier there. After that, you will promoted major general. After that, you will promoted lieutenant general. After that, you will promoted general. After that, you will promoted chief of the army staff. After that, the last rank of the Pakistan Army is field marshal of the army, a field marshal of the Pakistan. So these ranks are the commissioned ranks. So I hope you will get a lot of information about my lectures and you will pay your full attention. You will take interest because interest is very important thing in the life of a person, in the life of a student. Without interest, you can't do something. Don't waste your time. Work hard and please pay your full attention on my lectures because I want to give you much knowledge about English and other subjects and about Armed Forces of Pakistan, Army, Navy, Air Force and Civil Armed Forces of Pakistan, ASF, Punjab Rangers, Sindh Rangers, Pakistan Coast Guards, FC and other department also. I hope in the final you will pray for the people of the Palestine, Makuda, Kashmir and Gaza. And please like, share and subscribe my all videos because these are very important videos for you. Please support me because I want to give you free of education. Just take some time to watch my videos on. Thanks.